Alright, so I just went on Facebook Marketplace and picked up this 2005 Polaris quad for a killer deal. I got it back, and one of the main problems that I had to fix was the starter solenoid. It was broken in half, and in fact it wasn't even conducting any energy. So I went online out of curiosity to see if there's any YouTube videos or diagrams to follow, and all of them were very confusing and using very confusing language. So I figured it out, and I'm going to give it to you in the simplest way possible. So starting off, you're going to find your starter. Out of the starter is going to be this red hot wire. What you're going to do is connect this to the bottom of the starter solenoid and bolt it in there. Do nothing else. Then everyone's going to have this red wire that can connect from the battery to the top of the solenoid. So you're going to connect it to the top of the battery, to the hot side, to the top. Then most quads are going to have these two. It's going to be some kind of sensor to allow the quad to start. I don't fully understand what this wire does, but you're going to connect the two wires and put it onto the hot side, the one that connects to the battery. And then finally, you're going to get your ground and hook up your ground. I'm not going to do in this video, but you will also have to wire a switch, so you can do it from the front. But what you could do for now is kind of the redneck way, with a screwdriver, with a plastic end. What you're going to do is connect one side to the bottom, and then you're going to connect the two. And I'm not going to do it here, but you just touch both of these two together, and it will start up your quad right away. Hope that helps.